Njira ya kuingia mubango jo Rais Jowandi bamete bilioni 15 Ministry Maguta na Manyaro wangirwa mitu na skuru University ya Meru nigwatanirite kiri mutaratara wa wandi bo bamete batongeretwe ni abisala na macharia urogo kinyete Antonia CSOPO wandai mabisaba KFS na kinya skuru eje ni bombete kwanda mete ngiri ithandatu bakiure kinya mwingi kurumira untu bobo Brian Kimathi na report ije.
Njira imwe ya mubango jo kwanda miti bilioni 15 rwangirwa mainya bagwatanirite na amenyeri mito ya Kenya ni bathukiria ithithira kwanda miti sukuru ya Meru University.
And today, almost after 10 years, we can celebrate a forest cover of around 16%. We do this because we believe in the government agenda of planting 15 billion trees in the coming years.
Ni video ritongeretwe ni mwandiki munene wa rwangirwa mainya Alan Machari bakianda miti ndene ya sukuru na kuweja na mbeo kiria karibantere ujanjira ya kubagwata ugeni kiri mubango jojo.
Today we have been able to not only plant trees in this public institution, but we've been able to distribute a total of 6,000 seedlings to the farmers around this area, so that they also take part and contribute to the 15 billion tree growing exercise.
Nande nkuruki bakigweta mibango jo thirikari na murandi jo kwikira njai nyingi stima na kugweta thirikari ni kitekigi na gutigira manto jaja gukinyirika.
I'm also happy that we've been able to share with the members of Meru community our contribution towards the last mile connectivity. As you all agree, the issue of power is very pertinent in revitalizing our economy, and I am happy that in Meru County we have a budget of 2.3 billion, which is meant to connect households in excess of 27,000 households.
Karibante ibakirombo kugwata mubango jojo na kutigira ba Kumenyeera Riera.
The issue is coexistence. The issue is exploiting or extracting from the environment, and at the same time ensuring that we don't compromise extraction of the same benefits for future generation. So it is a symbiosis kind of relationship. We take care of the environment, and the environment eventually takes care of us.
Kiripotela Weru TV kumatigania mbita Brian Kimathi.